Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Glue Injector is probably one of the most innovative tools I've come across for woodworking. If you're tired of messy glue bottles and struggling to reach tight spaces, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into this amazing tool, exploring its features, and showing you how it can revolutionize your projects. Get ready to say goodbye to glue-related frustrations and hello to precision and efficiency. Number 5. Dripless Wood Glue Dispenser, 16-ounce bottle. Introducing the Dripless Wood Glue Dispenser. This innovative design ensures that glue will not drip or spill. It's designed to keep your workspace clean. The dispenser features a unique two-chamber system. This design pushes the glue from the bottom through a second side chamber. It's a smart and efficient way to dispense glue. When you stop squeezing, the glue bot sucks the glue back inside. This feature helps prevent messes and waste. It's all about precision and cleanliness. The dispenser leaves a clean, clog-free tip. This means you're always ready for your next project. It's designed for ease of use and long-lasting performance. This dispenser comes in a convenient 16-ounce bottle size. It's perfect for various woodworking projects. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This wood glue dispenser is designed to eliminate drips and spills, ensuring a clean workspace. Its two-chamber system pushes glue effectively, and the design prevents clogs. If you're tired of messy glue bottles and want a clean, efficient application, this is the perfect choice for your woodworking projects. What people say. Nice design and easy to empty large bottles of glue into it. Works well, easy to refill, doesn't clog, and comes with two different application nozzles. The design and build quality are excellent, sturdy, well constructed, and clearly made with careful attention to how woodworkers actually work. Number 4. Thin Super Glue 1 ounce, all-purpose clear liquid. This glue gives you precise control. You can apply it exactly where you need it with the easy-to-use precision microtip. It minimizes waste and mess, perfect for detailed projects. The anti-clog cap keeps the glue fresh. It prevents drying and blockages, allowing for convenient storage and repeated use. This design ensures the glue is always ready when you need it. This glue works on many materials. It adheres to ceramics, plastics, glass, wood, rubber, and metal. Whether for repairs or 3D printing, it performs consistently. It provides a strong and reliable bond. The high-strength adhesion endures daily stress and environmental exposure. This durable bond ensures long-lasting repairs. The glue dries quickly, in seconds. It allows for easy adjustments before it fully cures, balancing speed and control. This is perfect for time-sensitive tasks. What we like. This super glue offers precise control with its microtip, perfect for detailed work. The anti-clog cap keeps it fresh for repeated use, and it bonds to various materials. If you are looking for a versatile adhesive for intricate crafts or small repairs, it's a must-have. What people say. The injector worked perfectly for injecting glue into the cracks. The syringe is easy to use and clean. The product is well made. Number 3. Syringe with Luer lock needles and storage cap. This syringe is designed for accurate liquid dispensing. It's perfect for a variety of tasks, ensuring you have control over every drop. Made from durable polypropylene, this syringe offers excellent air tightness. The clear measurements make it easy to see exactly how much you're dispensing. The extra-long blunt needles are ideal for reaching into small bottles. This design allows it to fit easily into tight spaces for precise application. The included cap provides a convenient way to store liquids. This feature helps to keep the content secure and prevents spills when not in use. It's great for dispensing liquids, refilling ink, or applying paint and glue. However, it's important to remember that this product is for industrial use only and should not be used for injections. What we like. This syringe comes with a Luer lock system and blunt tip needles for precise liquid dispensing. It is great for tight spaces and refilling. If you need a reliable tool for applying glue or other liquids in hard-to-reach areas, you should consider this. What people say. Well-made heavy plastic syringe with 4 nicely smooth removable metal twist-on needle tips. Used the syringe to inject some thick wood glue both into a crack I'd created while drilling, and in the main gap. To say this thing sucks is an understatement, and in a good way. It took some effort but did slurp up that molasses-like adhesive well and injected it similarly well. This syringe was great for the job as the needle was big enough to handle the viscous glue and small enough to fit under the planks and rubber sheeting for the addition of more glue. Number 2. Bighorn 19408 Glue Injector with brass tips. Introducing the Bighorn 19408, a powerful tool for your gluing needs. This high-pressure injector delivers impressive performance, making it perfect for various projects. This injector provides up to 550 psi of pressurized power. It ensures a strong and reliable bond every time, making your work easier and more efficient. The package includes both 1-16 and 132 brass tips. These tips allow for precise application, ensuring you get the glue exactly where you need it. This injector is specifically designed for use with water-based glues. It's the perfect choice for a variety of woodworking and crafting projects. With its power and precision, it's a must-have for any workshop. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This high-pressure glue injector delivers powerful application with up to 550 psi. It includes brass tips for precision and is designed for use with water-based glues. If you need to inject glue into tight spaces or apply it with force, it's the ideal choice. What people say. The injector worked perfectly for injecting glue into the cracks. The syringe is easy to use and clean. The product is well designed and functions as expected. Number 1. DCT 20 ml Syringe Glue Applicator for Woodworking. Introducing the DCT Glue Applicator Syringe. This tool provides pressurized power for applying glue in tight spaces. It's perfect for a variety of projects, from woodworking to crafts. This syringe holds 20 ml of water-based wood glues. It's ideal for veneering, furniture joints, and even jewelry making. You can use it to fix squeaky floors or apply silicone gasket material. Loading the syringe is simple. You can either pour glue in through the top or submerge the tip in a glue container. Then, just pull the plunger back until it's full. This dispensing syringe allows you to apply glue under pressure. If you don't have enough space, you can drill a small hole and inject glue into the joint. This saves you from disassembling your project. Remember to moisten the O-ring before use. Clean it well after each use. The removable plunger and nozzle make thorough cleaning easy. Regularly lubricate the O-ring for a smooth, airtight seal. The package includes one adhesive syringe and 2 brass tips with O-rings. Please note that wood glue is not included. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This wood glue applicator offers high-pressure application for delicate assemblies. It is easy to load and dispense, making it perfect for woodworking. If you have projects with tight joints or need to apply glue under pressure, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. The injector worked perfectly for injecting glue into the cracks. The product worked as advertised and was easy to use. The syringe is well made and the needle is the perfect size. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.